You are so perfect for me in every way. And I love you so much.
Having to do this morning without your best friend was just really tough.
All this craziness, not being able to share with my best friend is like crazy. So yeah, I miss him so much right now.
I miss her really bad. I can't wait to see her.
He was coming through this crowd of people and it just parted ways, and like he was walking through and just came straight to me and we just danced the night away.
We both knew from the moment that we met each other that it was meant to be, and
that's why I proposed to him with a ring pop, because I knew right then that he was the person that I wanted to be with.
You're my person. I found you. I love you, baby.